I'm enjoying it because like I wanna I wanna show how good I am, even though I'm from another country. I recommend this welding because most of the time in our country we need welding in our country, right? To fix something, to make a brand new like items, objects that we can use from other thing one. On my car, I weld eyelid one on my hood, and I just weld it over there to make it nicer. And I just weld exhaust on my car, and yeah, that's I think I did. And my welding over here is just a gasless one. It's pretty good. I'm from in the Philippines. My dad brought me here a few years ago, like 6 years. Yeah, and my dad mostly live here more than 10 to 15 years. And four of us, my mom, me, my sister, and my brother, he just bring me over here. Yeah, I just choose welding because I want to fix something. After this period one, uh, I'm just, I'm just gonna go back at work at civilian because on the civilian welding, just near like 5 minutes. Yeah, I work there just a apprenticeship one, just helping journeyman what they need, so on for and yeah, I'm just like a laborer over there. And yeah, and I just come up to my mind. I was like, I want to be journeyman too. So yeah, just working, school work. So yeah, I'm taking period one and period two after on March next year, and period three, and next is journeyman. Yeah, I did before apprenticeship one, just working labor on journeyman on civilian, just helping for first day of welding that you don't have experience is kind of hard, but if you have a little bit experience, it's kind of easy for you. Yeah, I like more staying here in Canada because I see my future in Canada rather than Philippines because it's kind of hard to work in the Philippines because it's hard to find a job over there. So yesterday, I just got my citizenship. I glad that I got that one. Me and my mom, my brother, and my sister. We just got that one from yesterday. It's kind of feel good to be a Canadian now. So yeah, for the first one, I'm just gonna thank for our instructors here, Rob and Bernard, for working hard, studying, doing class in our classroom, and yeah, I like it. I love them.